Baby Majama.
Oh. Hi, man, greetings to you, my
friend.
And Uncle Joe.
Uncle Joe.
Yeah, for sure.
What got
Nakira Mplangwana Makanyara. Nilikuwa makambotipa magajet.
Magajet.
Makanyara ananzaru yakari reporter.
All right.
You know what? Pana chamela man.
All right.
Kona second house from
Mplanga.
Kena Mplanga. Muraini ma Thompson mo.
I'm Brabet. Ubram Zeke. My real name is Rohan. I'm the beekeeper.
Beekeeper.
I am the one that does everything like that there concerning
beekeeper.
Your bees and your honey. You need something like honey? I'm always around for that.
You can be supply.
Where?
I work all over Southern Africa. Doing the bees. Where you have your bee problem, that's where you will find me. And you check me. With this light here, we travel wherever we are going. But what the nice thing is, wherever they are, even if they're in the grave, they go under the grave and they can make their colony. I can remove those kind of bees there. People, they always have negativities and think about maybe, hey, whatever you want to do, anything concerning your bees, I can do for your project. No matter where you are, I come where you are. That's why I come there.
And your contact?
My contact is 0773 754 604. The other one is 0778 164 178.
What you done?
Rowan Hood is my name.
Rowan Wood.
Brabet. Makendlas. Makefa. You say Makefa 2 times. Because in Ghetto we have Makefa, we call him once. Makefa. But me, you have to call me twice. Makefa. I am the Rasta Muffin. Makefa. It's the blackness. Ubuntu. Yes, Ubuntu.
But good Kefa isn't an insult.
It's everywhere. It's like a language we speak of all of us together. Africa together. Oneness, one love, one blood. I and I. What else you had to ask me there? I'm still in Glen Forest. Glen Forest is the northern suburbs of Harare, where we have all our ministers, they stay there, Dr. Stamps, big people, you know. But I have my small cabin that I stay in that territory. But if you want to sponsor me, just link me up with my man Manix here, and we start from there. Bees and honey is a big project, my brethren. Yeah. So if you have something to do or to sponsor our brother, we start from there.
A cabin
is a plank house, a small house, maybe 2 bedrooms, sometimes it can be a 1 room. I stay in a plank house, but I live from there with my children, my family, you know.
Some gara rent free.
My wife.
Mugara rent free
Gara?
Murugara rent free.
Just like that there, man. No one to
just keeping the stand.
Yeah, no one to big me up my project so I can go in front, you know. Just a piece of land will be doing all right for me, where I can set up my beehives and do my project. That's good for me. If you can help me there, anybody there, out there, you want to help Brabet, the beekeeper, yeah, link up with Manix.
I want to link
everything like that.
I'm now on here with the sport. I got not to Zimbabwe.
Sisters that are in diaspora, but they are fighting for the territory of parents' house. I don't want to have anything to do with that there. I just want to do my own thing.
What stage in that been?
Hello everybody, greetings from Zimbabwe. Big up, pum. Love you all. Hope to hear responses from you. Please help a brother. Rohan Hood. Hey, I'd like to big up like Beverly Purple. Hey. Joel, my brethren, Amulang, Pandeside, my man Manix here. Kathy Moyo, Sinclair, Crystal Hood. Hey, that's my family.
Shellaz.
One love, Jah Rastafari. Love you all. I'm going there. That's where my family is.
Oh, how many kids you got?
A boy and a girl. Sinclair, Wood, Crystal Wood.
Nice.
One love, brethren.
Namashad.
Greetings. Shellaz.
Madwa.
Big up, brethren. Give thanks to you, Rastafari. Man Manix. One love.
YMCA Mutsa mskana wa Thompson wo muna Dumbudzera lokwa kamtorera kwa Fields tabve koko tavatazenda ku Zimbabwe ho kufio tabve koko tavatazenda kunonzi kuchi ukoko and then pa Salvation Pepe uko wakwena
in the avenues
tabve koko tavatazenda pa Queens Angoma takafamba nazo nana Jowa. It was a long time. That was time to enjoy. Goma. Reggae music.
Talk about like 1992, 91.
Nana Jabi.
From Start Time Crew.
I got water force. No way, Munya angane ka skyline I got water force majama
Mustin Roots
I got water force was
Trevor that's it
Yvonne. Oh, you
brethren. Where we used to go and crush beads and make
of course. Oh, no much. I want to do that no from
maps of Africa and
but okutala zvapa nemutoriro chiroamba tutu
ani hapana kakushaya kagoti
sakoyo mutoriro wakataura kushayawo
but we're trying better than before.
Trying the best.
We're not going
we're maintaining. Next 2 weeks I'm turning 55.
Most of our guys at our age here, they are not alive here.
What's around 1970?
71. Thompson, 70. Doreen, you, Pauline Santana. Nani futi.
Gone but not forgotten.
All
those people gone but not forgotten.
Harare high. Kuna Glava. Because where you know
Master Glava.
Master Glove. Sibanda was a deputy. Sibanda, I think I'm a grass. Namai Jiliwa went and go. Senior master.
Why don't you go by
that much? Because of the captain, the Kwangu Dara Gemuna Kemuna Daniela. Kairoskan and go.
2 minutes, something like that.
Pamaro puts up. Nechim Dara Chanchiru opposite Ningiri workshop. You were Shamari. Science Dantina my I wins by Garagota for that man.
One banner forgotten.
Iowa. Siwangari wasu badafu watsukuso. Wangari kuduze rekula ibrari uko.
Wakamboshandere since about.
Ndakambosenza.
Kupi.
Ku Paramount. 1992 to 97 years.
Rapid choppers of skills.
Even Adina Angukat Rangure Gunas.
The tongue is for keeping it.
1994 ndo pakatanga NASA. Sorry. 94 ndo pakatanga NASA until 7 years. Senza ku Paramount ese Nita Weaver. But itakazobuda nye umbafu.
Oh, ngori mbafa.
asha zvine zvaoma
unokuenda uchigara wangoomera uri wege
shamari ikonomi inegodi iwo kuitiza ineiga pane badhakwa pane badhakwa uona utiza ikonomi kana kuenda kuSouth Africa zvine zvadhakwa shamari
haufanira kuba mabasa.
We can't all go.
Kuna asingabhadhara anobirwa.
We can't all go foreign.
Usatadza kundi-employer. I'm now matured ndane family ndane chief. Handichada zvokuba zvese.
But rekedza kawawa kakwa.
Pang'ono amwene.
Wazvinzwa ere German? Watunonza Joyland. Rekedza uri batutu. Musombodiya.
Kana uchistresswa.
Iwe wega ndori ngotambudzwa sei ndozvanoda kuziya. Ndana kukustressa.
You have to tell him now.
Community kumba kwacho. Iwe do kodi ukaona pamba pane vazukuru vanenge 20 ione vana vako 2 vakangouya natseketsa unoiziva
vanhu hanzvadzi
ndikunohura uya nevanhu pamba penyu panoputirwa mbanje havana respect nepampenyu inasanamboputira mbanje pamava munhu womunhu.
We used to go to the river and smoke.
Imagine.
Then you come back home.
Istainoenda kutswarapo ukobvunza Thompson kana vamubata panenge uchiputa mbanje wakahwanda musango kana muchibage shaa munhu angodherera pampenyu uputira mbanje pampenyu. You get stressed ka pamba ndepekugara nemukadzi wako so uchitaura atiri pamba
saka uri stress kuti vanhu vakuputira vazukuru vako
kudherera nodhererwa pamba penyu ongoya umba koendoputira mbanje ipapo havana kumba kwako unoputira mbanje
vane stress yoperera umba kwedu amagole usadaro iwo.
It's part of the life. It's a ghetto life, you know. In the ghetto, that's the life.
But no,
But let's go on. We have to be stronger.
But
when you not put in one banjiri.
No. We don't allow that. Nothing like that. Smoke far away and you come. Yeah. When you come back.
Apana na vachikatanura vachitasei nomaintaina bamba uchiti ndikumaintaina bamba bati anambwa imbwa madogs
dog person. They call it dog person.
Saka ningi michero dzako dziri kudyiwa
dzatopera makudo tsoko zvongoya ngotanhaura
before they are ripe.
vazukuru vako unofanira kuvataura navo.
Anambweyo anenge achiputiswa mba chavo ana mari shamwari anongoya nepurastic inonzi skunk inoita zvavanoita.
How old?
That much I don't need to know. Just
they must be lighters.
17, 19 years old. I'm tired of this.
Lord have mercy. Look after them.
No funny BP ne sugar, Shaman.
I mean, I don't put myself.
Uchipinda pamba so uchivaona so wakaungana mvura inonaya vachiona makoroti mvura yakunaya haenda kumba kwavo anonohwanda pavharanda pedu ndikutora mari yegodi undisiyire screen yekuti ndokiya kuti hapana anopinda ipapo munhu enda kumba kwenyu.
You can't go by his house. You have to smoke by your house.
Of course.
At your house, why can't you smoke?
Can't you go home, son? Boy,
go. Won't you go, son boy? Go. Your dress and your smile. You're so looking so untidily.
Sure.
I want me to check you out. You're softer than your young baby. Won't you go, son boy?
Yellow man, you kuna 30 kumango.
Yellow vibes, yellow
Kana
vibes.
kuimba kunze kwa Wedzera tiri mukwinzoro tiri kubawa.
Yellow vibes.
Usati kwa
We call him yellow vibes. That we call him yellow vibes. Yellow vibes.
Mapino kumango.
Yellow vibes.
Go home, some boy.
That cheap man who could hold a microphone. I remember him very well. Dear soul, rest in peace.
Go. No Porsche, man. Very irritating.
Life is what feels. Such is life. Life is. It wasn't fair.
What about the project? Makanyara and Demiro.
Life wasn't fair.
Mukatipo to Zamakatipo, Mugada say baby. That was good.
Magrosari.
Magrosari, Chichi, Manuaka, Zimba, rain.
But that is not a project, that is a donation.
Tapirway.
I need someone that can sponsor me and do me the B project.
Huh?
I can do the B project and we can survive, you know.
Yeah, for sure. Tell him now.
Yeah.
Stress ya kwano bayapera wakata P.
That can help us.
At least current in a business, something
come
to
through
do.
me brethren here. You link us up, then we can start a project.
Something to do, concentration, Wana Choguita Shellaz. Him is jump around. I know what does Zage. Stand around town. Shellaz
Domsi.
Oh.
But you know square or pan about it dark work and doesn't you don't scare
Shama stress, Shama.
Who don't stress and you manage. Do you think about the healthy wise is really say?
Health wise, I'm good. Cannot test to a man, you cannot test a man. I'm good. I'm not yet Betty, and you know, Tigatenda famous, Tigatona test a bow. But you cut out Garori Pamba, my project in it.
But talking to all of you out there, yeah, somebody needs services like my service. My passport is a clean passport. I can travel to wherever you are there. Link up with me, brethren there.
Irbo. Chimoresa amadza kwe one stress yako.
Shamari. God. Oh, iwe.
Moresa amadza ako kanita upedza zvandukuita.
Nani.
Waunoda iwewe.
Thompson, Teresa. Whoever.
Wow, Teresa.
Thompson Magundwa. Teresa.
Remember you.
Teresa ndakakupa yakamani kumagrusa.
Teresa.
My classmate. Big up.
Bo.
And all the rest that I never mentioned, but then, hey, all your love is too much. Respect to all
But
your...
miraka wawa itaka zvishoma. Ndokona kutengera but nendiskadi. Because nenda kupamzira stress.
But you know what is the addiction? And Dinesha Marengo akaenda Canada college. Akatozopesera endeswa ku Akoloniga anonymous group. Rather than iri kustoda iri kunzi
Angel of Hope.
Angel of Hope. Yanga isati hapo. Pampane ma colleague anonymous group wangoribo. Lokwandaendeswa naye since friend yake ngewe is now into Canada.
Saka watomboendeswa kurehab yo.
I've never been there.
But you own
I
addiction.
don't need to go there.
But you know addiction ya wawa.
Addiction.
Ema brand ya
Zogeda ma brand gachazwa.
But you know wakachasika ako wakaenda.
Ne bane product they have desire. Chago ndiwotenga chama management.
Mirantenge.
Akutopera chimwa drinking kana.
But I like it. I'm enjoying it.
Ekona vemkoto yokuti kumusiko kwa dawa.
Yeah, illicit beer.
Illicit beer.
Ndora uri kuda iro.
Tengere vessel.
Andina mare vessel road.
Saka nyuntengere kewo.
Alright, iripo.
I'm used to
One
that
love,
tune.
everybody.
When you come next time,
Happy New Year to all of you.
Viceroy.
Quality
Brethren.
Andokutengera Viceroy.
And thanks for me, brethren, for giving us.
Kana 2 keys. Yeah, standard.
I'd like to say Happy New Year to all of you guys out there. And Happy New Year. And thanks to me, brethren, for giving us this opportunity to link up. It's not every time we see one another.
Iripo.
One love. Respect.